Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to unlock number lock on Android. We start by clicking on the phone icon and then click on the Contacts category. Here we will look for the three-dot menu and then click on the Settings option. Then click on the category similar to block numbers that appears. Now we will see the list of numbers that we have blocked. To unlock them, click on the symbol that appears next to them according to our Android model, and then confirm the action with Unblock. After that number will be unblocked, and if it is a contact, it will appear on the list again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.